everybody. This video is just a real quick video for you guys to show you how to remove fleece from your Western saddle if you're going to refleece the saddle, and what's the next step. We're going to find out. This is a saddle that is from a client who it's custom made, so this is an unusual situation where I have to keep the two pieces together, the two skirtings together, because that the centered part on the back is plaited, and I don't do lace and plaiting that detailed, and to keep it as original as possible, I want to do it this way. It is an extremely difficult way. I cannot put it on Big Bertha, so it is all done by hand from beginning to end. So I hope you enjoyed just seeing how to remove it and what's the next step once you remove your fleece. Okay, so I'm almost coming to the end here, and guess what the next step is, guys? Guess what it is. Put it in the comments. I would love to know if you knew it before I said it. So the next step is the tedious part of replacing a sheepskin on a Western saddle. That is going to be pulling out every single thread that you have. If you're doing this by hand, I hope you got good hands and a lot of patience. I used to do it by hand as far as restitching, but praise God, I've got Big Bertha, my machine, that does it for me, because it is a lot of hours just to refleece. Now this is tearing, which is fine, because I can go back and get my knife in there. Shearling skin is very thin, as you can see, but yeah, so you just get it in there, rip a thread, and then you can go ahead and pull it, get it up so you can keep moving forward. This is the harder part because this is all molded. Keep your hands away from the blades, guys. Keep your hands away from the blades because it can slip. But it has to come out. This stuff has to come out because you're going to have to pick the threads. Okay? And you have to have it all out. There's no ands, ifs, or buts. I hope you like Justice shows because I listen to them while I'm doing this. You learn a lot how to be in court. Okay. So the next step is pulling out all these threads. Then we make a pattern. Also, this sheepskin is extremely dry. This is a saddle from the 70s. So it's very dry. Definitely. A lot of sweat from the horse, a lot of dirt. Sometimes you'll find spider nests in them. All that kind of stuff. But if you would like to learn how to refleece a saddle, I do have a quick video on my YouTube channel, or channels. I have two channels, The Leather Lady LLC, and then I have Saddle Repair and Restoration. You can watch there, or if you would like to take a workshop on how to repair saddles for either a hobby or a business. I will say this is not something to do for beginners to replace fleece or work on saddles, because for money, unless you have gone through a course or know what you're doing, because safety is a key, and I hate to see you get sued for somebody getting injured or killed. So this is removed now. We're gonna go ahead and got both of those. We're gonna go pick out the threads. And again, if you would like to take a class, a workshop, I do those online and in person. go to the leatherladyllc.com and send me a comment or ask me some questions or look at what the classes are there. But I will be making new classes for repair, and you'll have to be a member, or you can call me and we'll set up some workshops and classes. I hope this was helpful and fun. Have a great day, and let's get going on the rest of this saddle.